Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my unboxing for the March LookFantastic box here. This actually came in quite quickly. This says, the sticker here, LookFantastic Beauty Box March 2020 and then in brackets, child. What? Also, I'm still a bit sick, so if you hear it, I apologize. That's beautiful. It is probably because it's Women's Day in March. But yeah, that is a beautiful box. Oh my goodness. I love this. In a world where you can be anything, be yourself. 100% agree. We got the leaflet here. April sneak peek, Bella Pierre. An eyeshadow palette. Oh no, not another eyeshadow palette. In case you haven't seen my pen palette update, I will link it here. I recently bought an eyeshadow palette. And I'll get another one. Oh my god. Okay, anyways. I still have time to use a few more shadows up. Okay, oh my god, there's so much in, I don't even know where to look at. Oh, I think I'm gonna start with the biggest packages in here. Chewable hair vitamins. I probably can't take them because it has gelatin in. Yeah, gelatin. It's bovine or bovine gelatin. So I cannot take these because I'm a vegetarian. That sucks. So I will put that into a giveaway. In case you don't know, I do a giveaway every single month on my second Instagram. So if you want to enter, you will find it in the info box. Yeah, I cannot take these, which sucks. I will just open up to see what they look like. Oh my god, they are huge.
That's what she said. Oh my god.
Okay. Yeah, well, I can't use them because they are not cruelty free. So anyway, I will still read you what it says in the label here. These are worth $12.49. Start your journey to healthy, luscious locks with these hairburst hair care vitamins, which combat effects of heat styling, coloring, and aging. Taken regularly, research shows that 98% of users notice faster hair growth. I think if that time comes where I will give these away, I will actually write in the info box, listen, this is not vegetarian or vegan. So yeah, well, that sucks. I could use some hair vitamins because my hair is just this. Okay, maybe something else I could use. Madara, which is open. Hold on, let me just close that. Madara Time Wrinkle Resist Eye Cream for all skin types. I don't even know how many eye creams we already got in LookFantastic boxes. I'm still working on one that I got like last year. Like, this is huge. Look at this. Do you have any idea how long it takes me to use this up? I'm not complaining. It's a lot of eye creams. This is worth £35. Wow. This eye cream targets signs of tiredness and aging, as well as tackling fine lines and wrinkles. Its soothing formula hydrates the eye area to reveal younger, more radiant looking skin. Yes, it is £35, but it is also like, how much is in here? 15 milliliters. It is quite a lot, like I said, for an eye cream. This will probably last you a long time. Can't wait to try that one out after I finish like 5 others, but this is one I'm excited for. The vitamins I was excited for too, but I can't use them. So this is the first product I'm actually excited about. Ooh, rituals. The ritual of Ayurveda. I'm sorry, I butchered that. The ancient art of living wisely, nurturing chow oil. Okay, with Indian rose and sweet almond oil. I'm just gonna unscrew this and then. Oh my god, that smells amazing. Oh my god, that smells so good. If I could eat this, I would eat it. Oh my god, that's amazing. How much is in here? 75 milliliters. So you could probably take this on vacation with you, like as a carry-on. I think it's 100 milliliters, right? Was it 10? Oh, I love the design of this. This is worth $4.90. Indian rose and sweet almond oil are at the base of this ritual shower oil, which will leave your skin feeling soft and your mind at ease. You know how to use. Pour a few drops into your palm and massage all over the body in circular motions. Upon contact with water, this oil changes. Oh my god! Again, changes into a luxurious foam, leaving you feeling clean, refreshed, and smelling delicious. So this magically turns into a foam. I love science stuff like this. It's so cool. You know when you have a hair paste that actually turns into shampoo, like that foam up. I love this. So I can't wait to try this one out. And it smells really good, oh my god. This one, Grow Gorgeous Intelligent Hair Care Repair Strengthening Hair and Scalp Mask. Okay, 30 milliliters in. Let me smell this. It's sealed, I can't smell this. We had some of this before, and I think you was just supposed to put it on your scalp and then leave it on. So I assume this is basically the same thing. Okay, so after shampoo, you're supposed to put this in. Okay, so technically after their shampoo, but given the fact I don't have the shampoo that coordinates with this, I will just use my normal shampoo. Leave on for 5 minutes and then rinse. I think I can do that. I'm not that stupid. I think I can. So this is worth $3.75. Get visibly thicker and more nourished hair with this unique mask from Grow Gorgeous. Formulated with caffeine to stimulate your roots, oat lipids to lock in moisture, and hyaluronic acids for that silky soft finish. So the how to use part here says to leave on for 10 minutes. On the package it says leave on for 5. Who's correct? Probably Grow Gorgeous themselves, right? But yeah, I will try it out, right? I mean, it can't hurt. I hope it can't hurt. This I've been looking at for a long time. What is this? Kiss-proof lip cream. Oh, that is a huge thing. Oh my god. This is my bill up here. Hold on, it's dirty. I don't know why. Kiss-proof lip cream. What the hell? That is huge. What's the color? I don't know. Can't read it. Incognito. Oh, we had that one before, and I didn't like it. I mean, I did like it, but it dried my lips out so badly. I think I still have it here. Or did I get rid of it? I don't know. So it seems like I got rid of that one. That was a liquid lipstick though. This is a lip cream, whatever. I don't know. I don't know if I will use that. I remember the other one dried my lips out so badly, and this already looks very drying. Is this like a gift? Because it's not in the what's in the box thing. Look, like I'm not stupid, okay? So this is the first thing, the Grow Gorgeous one, right? Then we have these two that I just read. This one that's still coming. This one is still coming, and then this one. Weird. Okay, so Elizabeth Arden Superstar Skin Renewal Booster. To use smooth onto clean face day and night before applying serum or moisturizer. Okay, so before your face cream. Ooh, I can smell this. Yes. I mean, on one hand, I appreciate a sealed package, but on the other hand, I want to smell things. Ooh, this smells really fresh. It smells like actual high-end skincare, which Elizabeth Arden is. That's my chair, that's not me. Promise. Okay. This is worth $7.50. Designed to restore your skin's natural ability to repair and renew, this Elizabeth Arden Skin Booster is the perfect addition to your skincare routine. Its fusion of super ingredients have resulted in over 90% of women agreeing that it helped their skin look less damaged and irritated. So I will definitely try that out as well. Possibly even today, because you can use it day and night. Okay, and then last but not least, the last product here is a bee venom cleansing balm, rhodiol. Okay, balm to toner brightening formula with melatonin, peptide, jojoba, and vitamin C and E. It's already half empty, so this is worth £13. Take your facial cleansing routine to the next level with this luxurious skin brightening cleansing balm from rhodiol, formulated with bee venom, an anti-aging wonder ingredient that smooths your complexion, plumps fine lines, and decongests your skin of any dirt and impurities. What do you mean bee venom? So, a quick Google search told me that this is actually made from bee venom, whatever. What the fuck? Like what? Why? So it has a melatonin peptide in that basically comes from wasps and bees and whatever. Why would you put that? Like, why? What the fuck? I'm actually shocked. I will also put it in the giveaway, obviously, because I'm not going to use that. You know what? 2020 will be the year of where I research my things a bit more, because I probably would have, I mean, obviously it says bee venom, but I probably would have used that and be like, oh, look at me, you know? No, this is not okay. I haven't read up on how they get that bee venom, whatever. Other things in the leaflet here. 10 minutes with hair burst. So the vitamins. I mean, that guy looks actually very nice and friendly and adorable, but I just can't use that. Bodial, yeah. Yeah, so basically how to use it and how it affects your skin. Spoiler alert, it makes your skin look gorgeous, obviously. Yeah, no, I'm not filming this. The beauty dictionary niacinamide, known as vitamin B, what it is and what it is in and how you can use it. Inspiring founders. So yeah, like I said, for Women's Day they talk to the people. Basically all women. Okay, from Rodial, from Vita Liberata, from Mauli, and from Chorus. Women's history. What's the secret to your success? So basically, random people, yeah, beauty box lovers that share the secret to success and their beauty favorites. Okay, and then like I said, next month we will get a Balapia palette, which I'm excited for, but also not excited for, because like I said, I still have a bunch of other beauty products. Anyway, that was it. That was the box. I will have a referral code in the info box in case you want to get a box as well. I think I will make like $5 off. Like I get store credit from anyways. So like yeah, what am I most excited for? Honestly, probably the shower gel. All of this, like these three. The rest, not so much. So, but yeah, you know, you can't always love every box. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel already. And see you next video. Bye. Is the mic on? Okay, I think so. Okay. Can you please stay close? Is that possible? You know what? I have some tape here. I will just close it. Like this, maybe? So cute. She's doing the Nazi salute. Oh no, she isn't. Oh god, I thought. So, I just lost the shower gel.